Ang unang topic natin para sa huling markahan na ito ay ang mga theorems on triangle inequalities. Particularly, ang exterior angle inequality theorem, ang triangle inequality theorem, at ang Hinge Theorem. Ano ba ang exterior angle ng isang triangle? An exterior angle of a triangle is an angle that forms a linear pair with one of the angles of the triangle, while ang remote interior angles ng triangle are the angles that do not form a linear pair with the exterior angle.
Halimbawa, sa given figure na ito, ang interior angles ng nabuong triangle ay 1, 2, 3. Pansinin na ang isa sa mga sides ng triangle na ito ay extended. Kaya may nabuong exterior angle at ito ay ang angle 4. Ang angle 3 at angle 4 ay linear pair. The exterior angle 4, ang mga remote interior angles nito ay angle 1 and angle 2. So, ang remote interior angles ng exterior angle ay ang mga angle na hindi linear pair sa kanya. Another, kung ang side nito ang mag-extend, ang exterior angle ay angle 5. Ang mga remote interior angles nito ay angles 2 and 3. Next, kung ang side naman nito ay mag-extend sa kaliwa, ang exterior angle ay angle 6. Ang mga remote interior angles nito ay 1 and 3. The exterior angle inequality theorem. It states that for any triangle, the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. For the illustrations, in this given figure, the exterior angle, angle 4, equal ito kapag pinag-plus ang mga remote interior angle nito na angle 1 at angle 2. It also states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its two remote interior angles. Ibig sabihin, si exterior angle of 4 ay laging greater than o mas mataas sa angle measure ng mga remote interior angle nito na angle 1 at angle 2. Let's apply this theorem in solving problems. Examples. Number 1. In this given figure, find the measure of angle U. The measure of angle UST, which is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the measure of angle M and angle U. By substitution property of equality, replace the measure of angle UST to 120 degrees. And the measure of angle M is 50 degrees. By subtraction property of equality, the measure of angle U is equal to 70 degrees. Number 2. Find the measure of angle DBC. Angle DBC is the exterior angle of this figure. So its angle measure is equal to the sum of angle A and angle D. By substitution property of equality, angle A is 49 degrees and angle D is 68 degrees. Add it. The measure of angle DBC is equal to 117 degrees. Number 3. Find the value of x in this given figure. And in this given figure, the exterior angle is angle WAM, which is equal to its remote interior angles R and M. By substitution property of equality, replace angle WAM to 8 plus 6x, angle R is 30, and angle M is 4x plus 2. Adding like terms, it will become 6x minus 4x equals 30 plus 2 minus 8. Simplify, it will become 2x equals 24. By division property of equality, the value of x is 12. The triangle inequality theorem. It states that the sum of any two side lengths of a triangle is always greater than o mas malaki sa third side length. Halimbawa, sa given figure na ito, kung i-add natin ang sides AB at BC, mas malaki ito sa length ni AC na third side. Another, kung ang i-add naman natin ay AB at AC, mas malaki ito sa length ni BC. And lastly, kung ang i-add naman natin ay ang sides BC at AC, mas malaki ito sa length ni side AB. Examples. Use this theorem to tell whether a triangle can have sides with the given lengths. Draw a happy face if the given lengths can form a triangle and sad face if not. For number 1, the lengths are 5, 8, and 10. For the solutions, let's add first 5 and 8. Dapat ito ay greater than sa third side length na 10. Simplifying it, 13 is greater than 10, which is true. Next, let's add 5 and 10. Dapat ito ay greater than sa third side length na 8. Simplifying it, 15 is greater than 8, which is true. And lastly, 8 and 10. Dapat greater than ito sa third side length na 5. Simplifying it, 18 is greater than 5, which is also true. So since dito sa tatlong solutions natin, nag-true lahat ng statements, therefore, ang lengths na 5, 8, 10 can form or can be the sides of a triangle. So, lagyan natin ng happy face. Example number 2, 7, 9, and 20. For the solutions, ang 7 plus 9 is equal to 16, na dapat ito ay greater than sa 20. Kaya lang, this statement is false. So, may isa na tayong false. Another solution, let's add 7 and 20 na dapat ay greater than sa 9, which is true. And lastly, let's add 9 and 20. Ito ay greater than 7, which is true. So, since ang isa sa ating tatlong solutions ay false, therefore, 7, 9, 20 cannot be as the sides of a triangle. These lengths cannot form a triangle. So, let's draw a sad face. Another example. Find the range of values for x using this theorem. The lengths are x, 9, and 12. For the solutions, ang i-add ko muna ay ang x at 9 na dapat ay greater than sa 12 and x is greater than 3. Lagay natin ito sa ating final answer. Baligtarin lang natin. 3 less than x. For the second solution, x plus 12 is greater than 9 and x is greater than negative 3. Since wala naman tayong negative length, let's disregard this. And then, for the third solution, pag-plusin naman ang 9 at 12, which is 21 greater than x. Ilagay natin ito sa ating final answer. Baliktarin ulit natin. X is less than 21. So this is the final answer. It is read as x is greater than 3 but less than 21. Example number 2. The lengths are x, 9, and 5. Yan, so ang given natin ay figure at ang mga lengths ng sides nito. Depende sa iyo kung ano yung gusto mong unang i-add. Lahat yan, iisa lang ang sagot. For the solutions, ang una kong i-add ay ang x at 9 na dapat ay greater than 5. Simplifying it, x is greater than negative 4. At dahil nga wala tayong negative length, let's disregard this. For the second solution, I add x and 5, which is greater than 9. Simplifying it, x is greater than positive 4. So this is our first answer. 4 is less than x. For the third solution, add 9 at 5. 14 is greater than x. So ilagay natin ito sa ating final answer. X is less than 14. This is our final answer. It is read as x is greater than 4 but less than 14. The Hinge Theorem. It states that if two sides of a triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle and the included angle of the first triangle is larger than the included angle of the second triangle, then the third side of the first triangle is longer than the third side of the second triangle. Para sa illustrations, mayroon tayong given triangle na HKL at EFG. Ayan. Ang mga sides na congruent ay HL and EG, HK and EF. Ang included angle ng triangle HKL ay angle H at ang included angle sa second triangle ay angle E. Kung ang mga included angle na ito, ang angle H, ay mas malaki sa angle E, then, yung third side kay first triangle na KL ay mas malaki sa third side ni second triangle na FG. The converse of the Hinge Theorem. It states that if two sides of a triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle and the third side of the first is longer than the third side of the second, then the included angle in the first triangle is greater than the included angle in the second triangle. For the illustrations, given the same triangle HKL and EFG, ang mga congruent sides ay ang HL at EG, ang HK at EF. Para sa first triangle, kung si KL ay greater than, mas malaki sa third side ni second triangle na FG, then ang included angle kay first triangle, which is angle H, is greater than to the included angle in the second triangle, angle G. This is the converse of the Hinge Theorem. Halimbawa, Complete each mathematical statements. Write less than, greater than, or equal to. For number 1, in this given figure, the included angle ng ating first triangle ay 32 degrees. Kay second triangle naman ay 52 degrees. What can you say about the third side of the first triangle MT to the third side of the second triangle FN? It is less than. Example number 2. So in this given figure, ang congruent side ay BE at TE at ang second congruent side naman ay EA and EA by reflexive property. The length of the third side of the first triangle is 5 meters. Ang length naman ng third side ng second triangle ay 7 meters. What can you say about the included angle of the second triangle TEA to the included angle of the first triangle, angle BEA? So it is greater than.